Searching for the best gutter cleaning tools feels like falling into a rabbit hole. Same looking scoops, same promises about easy cleaning, but zero clarity on what actually gets the job done. Here's the thing, most tools look alike, but the real difference is in how they handle real-world messes like wet leaves, tight corners, and second-story gutters. Let's cut through the noise. Product number 1, Damijo 79-inch Flexible Drain Grabber. First up is the Damijo 79-inch Flexible Grabber, a weird-looking spring steel tool that looks more like a fishhook than a gutter cleaner, but hear me out. This thing isn't for heavy clogs, it's for pulling hair, small debris, or even lost jewelry out of drains and slightly clogged downspouts. The 79-inch reach means you can snake it down from the roof or up from the ground, and the 4-prong claw grips tight when you release the handle. It's cheap at under $18, and over 6,000 people bought it last month, so clearly it's solving some asterisk problem. Here's why this matters for you. If your gutters are backing up because the downspout is blocked with gunk, this tool can often clear it without disassembling anything. Just feed it in, press the handle to open the claw, wiggle it around, and pull. No ladder repositioning, no calling a plumber. Now some people complained it's not strong enough for thick sludge or tree roots, and they're right. This is a light-duty tool. If your pipes are completely jammed, you'll need a real auger. But for maintenance and quick fixes, it's surprisingly effective. This is perfect for you if you've got slow-draining gutters and want a cheap, no-fuss way to clear minor blockages. Skip this one if you're dealing with major clogs or narrow pipes under 1.5 cm, it won't fit or work properly. For the price, it's a solid backup tool to keep in your garage. Product number 2, Vivid Works Gutter Scoop. Alright, that was a niche tool. Now if you're dealing with actual gutter gunk, wet leaves, pine needles, muck, this Vivid Works Gutter Scoop is where things get practical. At just $12.80 and under 5 ounces, it's lightweight but tough, made from high-impact plastic that won't rust. The deep, curved design lets you pull out big chunks of debris in one scoop instead of picking through inch by inch. Here's why this matters. When your gutters are full, water overflows, damages fascia, and even seeps into your foundation. This scoop gets the bulk out fast so water can flow again. The slim nose reaches into corners and around hangers, places where bigger tools get stuck. And the shovel-style trough means you can dump debris straight into a bucket instead of dropping it all over your yard. Now, some people said it feels flimsy, and yeah, it's not metal. But for seasonal cleaning, it's more than durable. Just don't try to pry off ice dams with it. This is perfect for you if you clean your gutters once or twice a year and want something simple, cheap, and effective. Skip this one if you're dealing with compacted, cement-like debris. It's not built for heavy chopping. For under $13, it's a no-brainer for basic maintenance. Product number 3, SeaLegend 8 FT Pressure Washer Wand. Now, if manual scooping sounds like too much work, this SeaLegend 8-foot pressure washer extension wand might be your game changer. At $34.64, it's pricier, but it turns your pressure washer into a gutter cleaning machine. Made from brass and stainless steel, it handles up to 4,000 psi and reaches second-story gutters from the ground. No ladder needed. This wand eliminates that risk while blasting away dirt, moss, and grime with precision. It comes with 6 nozzle tips, from 0 degrees for tough stains to soap for rinsing, and 4 spray angles so you can clean vertical walls, under eaves, or tight spaces without moving around. The 1/4 Quick Connect fits most washers, and the curved rod attachment is specifically designed for gutter lines. Now, some people complained it's hard to control at high pressure, and they're not wrong. If you've never used a pressure washer, start slow. Also, it won't pull out big clumps of leaves, you'll still need a scoop first, but for deep cleaning and rinsing, it's unmatched. This is perfect for you if you already own a pressure washer and want to clean safely from the ground. Skip this one if you don't have a washer or only clean gutters once every few years, it's overkill. But if you're serious about efficiency, this is worth the investment. Product number 4, KING-LEV Multi-Angle Gutter Cleaner. Alright, that was high-tech. Now, if you want versatility without the water mess, the KING-LEV Multi-Angle Cleaner is a clever all-in-one system. At $32.08, it includes a scoop, brush, and mini rake, all with a 270-degree rotating head that adjusts for ground, ladder, or roof use. Here's why this matters. Gutters aren't straight. They curve, dip, and have hangers in the way. The universal joint lets you tilt the head to match the gutter slope so you're not fighting the tool. It connects to standard painter's poles sold separately so you can reach high areas safely. The flagged bristles on the brush help loosen stuck debris while the scoop pulls it out. Now some people said assembly is fiddly, and yeah, you've got to tighten a few screws to lock the angle. But once it's set, it's rock solid. Also, the pole isn't included, so factor that into the cost. This is perfect for you if you clean gutters regularly and want one tool that handles leaves, light muck, and hard-to-reach spots. Skip this one if you only clean once a year and don't want to deal with adjustments. For frequent use, it's a smart, long-term solution. Product number 5, XCRO Gutter Cleaning Spoon with Hook. Finally, the XCRO Gutter Spoon, a simple, no-frills tool made in the USA for $17.91. It's a plastic scoop with a hook on the back and universal Acme threads to attach to any standard extension pole. Here's why this matters. Sometimes less is more. This tool is designed specifically to push and pull debris, especially under gutter hangers where other scoops get stuck. The hook lets you hang it on your ladder while climbing. Small detail, huge convenience. It's lightweight, durable, and built to last season after season. Now, some people said it's too small for heavy jobs, and they're right. It won't move wet, packed leaves in one go. You'll need multiple passes, but for light to moderate cleaning, it's efficient and reliable. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, American-made tool that does one job well. Skip this one if you're dealing with severe blockages or need multifunction attachments. For routine maintenance, it's a solid, no-nonsense choice. So which one's right for you? The Damijo Grabber is great for downspouts, the Vivid Works Scoop for quick leaf removal, the Sea Legend Wand if you've got a pressure washer, the KINGLEV for adjustable all-in-one cleaning, and the XCRO for simple, reliable scooping. No single tool does it all, but one of these will save you time, money, and ladder climbs. Pick the one that matches your gutter game, and you'll actually look forward to cleaning day.